Hey Pack, I'm Tim the Timberwolf, here to show you how to set up an NFC tag with your child's emergency contact number. Let's get started. First, download the free NFC Tools app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, tap right, then add a record. Choose phone number and enter the parent or guardian's emergency phone number. Tap OK. Then write, place your phone close to the NFC tag, and just like that the number is saved. Test it with another phone. When scanned, it should bring up the call screen with the parent's number ready to dial. One last thing. For best protection, we recommend adding a password to your NFC keychain. Head back to the NFC Tools homepage and select Other. You will be given new options. Select Add a Password, and when ready, scan Keychain. And that's it, Pack. In under 2 minutes, you've set up an NFC tag that keeps our pups safe. Tim the Timberwolf out.